Listen back to the radio, biding my time to hear the tune that hits my soul. Finding the words was always the hardest part for me. A dispatch from the heart you'd have to believe. Till then, if the same goes for you, it goes for me. We fell in love and wound up on our knees. If the same goes for you, it goes for me.
Oh, do you want another one? You want another one?
Well, right now.
Say, dude, I have so many of them. You can have whatever color you want.
Well, mine.
Not a bad one.
Off the shore?
Yeah, I let it fall for a long time now. Oh, that's not a bad one.
I'll say the little glowing spots look bigger here than they did the ones we saw down there.
Hey, look at the size of this one. I mean, I would say it's probably pushing that high 2 mark. Look at him.
He's a mean fucker.
Oh, thanks for that.
He just
He threw up everywhere. Look at that one.
Oh yeah, no, that's a nice one right here.
Look at the fucking thing on the side. I gotta get a towel.
I think hopefully there's one in here.
If not, I'll fucking figure out how to get that shit
Well,
off.
I know there's another one in the
And dude, when I say say I let it fall, I mean, I literally was dicking off with the camera and like just letting it fall. Oh dear God. That's another big one.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'd say the fish that have been following it, and I've seen down here on the graph, like, they're definitely looking bigger.
Look at the size of this one. I think this one will dwarf
And
that other one.
did you pick him up close to the bottom?
Yeah.
Well, I was say what's funny is I saw probably halfway to the boat, there's like 3 of them hanging out.
Oh,
Oh, you got them under that lip.
About the same size. Just another solid fat one. Yeah. Thanks, dude.
Right there underneath him. Oh, good, he barfed out there. He's still barfing.
Well, he'll have enough for you here.
Still barfing.
He's like, this was a mistake. It's a nicer one.
Yeah, he's not quite what you're catching, but golly, he's warm.
Yeah, they're all like really warm.
It's a crazy amount of fish in here.
Are you glad we came here now? Not such a bad day, huh?
Oh, well, no, I didn't say it was a bad day. It's crazy how well my electronics are working together.
Look at the size of this one. Fucking pudgy fat guy that was, I mean, dude, he was dirt shallow. Thanks, dude. Literally the dumbest bait.
Yeah, I can't even fish it.
Why?
I can't grasp it.
You can't graph it?
Can't grasp.
It's so easy though.
I know, but I gotta overthink everything.
Literally, watch, that's all I do. That's it, and then every now and then I'll give it a little pop, and then just keep reeling. They did say though, when I was watching a bunch of like YouTube stuff on the spy baits and like different size techniques, and they did say that a large majority of the bass fishermen cannot grasp the spy bait because they think they're supposed to be doing something else with it. And
I think you gotta add action to it.
yep. And it's just meant to be reeled. Like even the creator of it was just like it's not meant to be it's a finesse bait. Thank you.
Because what's funny is you can go do playbacks on those.
Oh really?
Yeah, you can just swipe the screen, it'll reverse itself. Oh, what? Catfish.
That'd be fucking hilarious. Do you need some help with it?
Fucking rain boom, when they hit them, they kill them.
Oh, I think I'm wrapped with you now.
Now we'll both fight him.
Good one?
Well, he feels like it, but you fucking never know. Get him up.
Mean.
You got those treble hooks. I'm trying not to. Fuck it all up. Again, he was way out here.
Yeah. And oh, we got doves.
Oh my god.
Whose is bigger?
That thing's fucking tiny.
Hang on. Oh, yours is bigger.
Not by much. Barely caught him in a fucking.
Look, really caught him by the mouth.
Don't tell anybody what we did.
Yeah.
In like 5 strips.
Dude, I had, so like this is the 90 size that I'm throwing. I had 5 of them when I went to Almanor, and this is the last one that I have.
God, I gotta figure out how to get more activity in myself at work.
Why?
My back is just fucking
My back hurts. Do you want to switch spots?
Oh no, it's just it's forever. It's just the shit. I wish I could get myself. Well, I wish I could get my team or my situations, I guess, consistent.
That's an angry little guy.
Actually, I wish I could be like Bob, have an office upstairs with Bob. Except his neighbor who keeps driving across the bridge to talk to him.
Oh, you?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's what you... I gotta figure out how you did this. 'Cause now... we got a problem. Thank you.
Not a bad one. Really not a bad one at all.
Good fish. Your better fish of the day.
I don't know about that, but he's pretty close. I mean, I wouldn't say he's the best one, but he's pretty close. Right. Got him.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be tiny. Just judging from
The way he bit.
the marks. The marks are all pretty thin.
mean, just took off going the other way. That's a pretty good one, dude. Look at this one.
There you go, that's a fatty.
Look how fat this fish is. Dude, he hit that thing and it was just like he was going the other way with it. Not bad. Not bad at all. No, you're right. The funniest thing was he was talking about fucking, I think I got the guy that was attacking you.
I don't think they like my color.
You want this color?
Well, no, I went to this pond smelt color,
Yeah.
brown. Haven't had a single bite since.
Switch the color.
I don't have no more colors.
I got all the colors. I literally have one of or two of every color. Because my dumb ass was like, ooh, that's pretty, that's pretty, that's pretty.
Well, I thought-
$500 fucking dollars later.
I thought,
You know who Jason Smith was? Oh, that's a good one. Maybe not.
yeah, the only person you can confuse Jason Smith with is Bigfoot.
Yeah. Like, what? So, Jason saw me do it, and then he saw her come walking up, and he's just fucking, he's about to piss his pants. Because he's like, that was so fucking funny. And then you just go, we were having a conversation. I'm like, well, what the fuck was I supposed to say?
Yeah, how fucking needy are you?
This will be the biggest fish of the day.
Oh yeah, he's a nice long fish.
That's a pretty good one. Hit it like a freight train too.
Yeah, my color decision, I don't think it was quite good.
Thanks, dude. It could also be that mine's getting down maybe a little bit deeper, so it's a little bit heavier.
Oh, fucking punk ass bitch.
Smack it.
Oh, just. Yeah, judging from the arcs I got on my other graph, these are some bigger fish that are in this area right here.
Well, it's funny because it's, once again, a wind-blocked cove. Right off that rock point. Yeah, you're right. These are some bigger fish.
There's not fish on. Oh, there is.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you're right.
No, I'm talking
Look
about
how big this fish is. He's so small, he still has the white tips on his fins.
Yep, nope, I was definitely not right.
Hey, we got another double though. I think yours is bigger. We might have to check though. I think my bait is longer.
That might be the smallest bass I think I've ever seen someone.
If I hold it this close to the camera, do you think it looks big? I'm like almost positive that this spy bait is longer. Oh no, I mean it's almost. Thanks, dude. Don't die while you're out here all by yourself.
I'm gonna listen back to the radio, biding my time to hear the tune that hits my soul. Finding the words was always the hardest part for me. A dispatch from the heart you'd have to believe. Till then, if the same